Welcome back to the Den of Tools. Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the Den of Tools, and we got some new items here, items that were kind of leaked by Harbor Freight themselves here at SEMA, and I just wanted to pass along the information that I found for you real quick. Here's the first rule though. Hold on, hold your horses there. Before you start asking a bunch of questions down in the comments, if I don't say it here, I don't know it, okay? This information was tucked inside the USB drive that they handed out at the show for people in the media. I don't have prices or drop dates or any of that stuff, so if you don't hear me talk about it, I don't know it. So let's move on. First thing we got up for you is the Hercules 12-volt impact driver. Oh, I'm sorry, I mean impact wrench. That's a 3/8 compact impact wrench, lightweight, delivers 1,200 pounds of breakaway torque. Now, here's what they say about it. It's got does an RPM of 0 to 2,500. It's lightweight, variable speed trigger, has a built-in LED light like most or all the Hercules stuff. All metal gear construction built to withstand job site abuse, and a 3/8 anvil with friction ring for secure socket retention. Now, here's the funny part about this. It says, and I quote, "Tool only, battery charger sold separately. For best results, use Hercules 5 amp hour battery, model HC01. The HC01 is a 20 volt battery. I don't know how that's supposed to work. I mean, I'm just a tool bear, but I thought I understood batteries, but apparently Harbor Freight's got a few tricks up their sleeves. We'll see how they deal with this. Anyway, again, just going over the bullet points here. As we talked about, battery included no, voltage 12, breakaway torque 1,200, drive is 3/8, warranty is 90 days, max torque is 696. It's about 6 inches by 6 inches by 2.5 inches or thereabouts, a little less. It weighs just under 2 pounds. And now it does say its max speed is 2,500 RPM, but their secondary speed is 3,200 RPM. I don't see a speed switch on top. I'm not sure how they're achieving that. Maybe that has to do with the variable speed trigger. I don't know. We'll see where they go with that. Anyway, again, no prices or drop date or anything. This is just information that they released to the press at the show. Going on the next item, this is a big one. A lot of people have been looking for this, and that is the Vulcan Protig 205. Now, they previously had a Protig model out, top-of-the-line Vulcan, but it disappeared with no word as to why it went away. And I don't have any information on that exactly. But let's talk about this, and here's the bullet points on this. 1 year risk-free trial. Yep, again, they're putting their money where their mouth is. If you don't like it at 364 days, you take it back, and you could have used it the entire time. Take it back, and they'll give you the money back. Talk about standing behind their product. Advanced features with a simple interface. It's got that nice LCD screen interface there. Outstanding TIG performance. TIG aluminum performance. Let's see here. TIG and DC stick from a single power source. Here I got some more pictures for you. There's the front. There's the back. And there's all the accessories. You got the pedal. You got the ground clamp. You got your regulator. You got your stick attachment. You've got your TIG gun there, and you've got 2 cables there. One, I'm guessing, yep, right here it says includes power cords for 120 and 240. It's dual voltage, 120 or 240. Weighs 53 pounds. Built-in pulsing for increased travel speeds and minimal work on your part. High frequency arc for ultimate starting in quality. As it says here, it does TIG and DC stick from a single power source. Here's what it lists as the formats that it does, which are GTAW, AC and DC, GTAW P, and SMAW as SMAW, DC only. I believe SMAW is stick. So there you go. For those of you who've been wondering what happened to the Protig, well, it's back in a new package. Looks pretty nice. Love to get my paws on it. We'll have to see about that. Again, no information, no price, no drop date, any of that stuff. Hopefully we'll find out some more here soon. And although I believe we did see a coupon out for it recently, so there is a price out there. And last is one we actually did see before, but I've got a spec sheet on it here, and this is the tool set here. So we got an 8-piece tool set. You got 4 slotted, 4 Phillips. Comes in a nice tray. Marked on the top. These are not striker caps on there. and the tips are magnetic. So let me go back to the picture there in the tray, because that's what you saw there in the video. Again, I think they're going to be pulling these back to change the lettering to a dark charcoal. But I just want to go over some of the features. The certification is ANSI, ANSI. The grip material is impact resistant rubber. The warranty is lifetime. The alloy is steel with a silver magnetic tip. Model number is SD-8. So you get, again, eight screwdrivers, 4 slotted. You get a 1/4 inch by 1.5 inches, a 3/16 by 3 inches, a 1/4 inch by 4 inches, and a 5/16 by 6 inches. In Phillips, we got a number 1 by 3 inches, a number 2 by 1.5 inches, a number 2 by 4 inches, and a number 3 by 6 inches. Well, there you go. This is their professional mechanic screwdriver set from Icon. Just wanted to cover that real quick because, as I said, you know, we saw it at the show, but we didn't have any information on it. And now I got one more thing for you, and that's right, from Harbor Freight, USB drives. Actually, what this is these are the USB drives that they were giving away at the show. So you know what? I have no need for them. They're not high capacity. I think they're 2 gigs. But if you want some Harbor Freight swag here, why don't you email me at red@denoftools.com, and I got half a dozen of these. And the first half a dozen people that email me, I will mail them out in the next week or two. Don't follow up with me later and ask if you were a winner or something. If you get one in the mail in a couple weeks, you were a winner, okay? Anyway, that's all we got for you here today. I just want to say a big shout out for all the members who who support the Den of Tools. That's kind of like Patreon's version built into YouTube there. If you want information on it, I have a video up on it. You can also click on the join button next to the videos and such. Also, thank you for everyone who's been buying the merch. I know the sweatshirts have been really popular lately. I really appreciate it. Love the look of those sweatshirts here. Also, don't forget to join us for Tool Talk Live every Sunday at 6 p.m. Pacific with Jeff and the wife and the Cubs and the Labradog and everybody. We talk tools, tech, family, business, and a whole bunch more. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to chomp the old like button. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for more good information like this. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.